Alanya is a beautiful resort city on the southern coast of Turkey, known for its stunning beaches, historical sites, and vibrant atmosphere. Here are some highlights of Alanya. 1. Alanya Castle, a medieval fortress overlooking the city, offering panoramic views of the coast and the cityscape. 2. Cleopatra Beach, one of the most famous beaches in Alanya, named after the Egyptian Queen Cleopatra. It features golden sand and crystal-clear waters. 3. Red Tower, Kızıl Kule, an iconic octagonal tower located at the harbor, built in the 13th century during the Seljuk period. 4. Dim Cave, a natural cave system with impressive stalactites and stalagmites, offering guided tours. 5. Alanya Archaeological Museum, exhibits artifacts from the region's history, including items from the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman periods. 6. Damlada's Cave, famous for its stalactites and stalagmites, as well as its purported therapeutic air that is said to benefit respiratory ailments. 7. Sapadir Canyon, a picturesque canyon with waterfalls and natural pools, ideal for hiking and nature lovers. 8. Alanya Shipyard, a historic shipyard dating back to the Seljuk period, showcasing the city's maritime heritage. 9. Alanya Aquapark, a popular water park with slides, pools, and various water attractions, perfect for families and thrill-seekers alike. 10. Local cuisine. Alanya offers a variety of delicious Turkish cuisine, including fresh seafood, kebabs, and traditional sweets such as baklava. Overall, Alanya is a fantastic destination blending natural beauty, history, and modern amenities, making it a favorite among tourists visiting the Turkish Riviera. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badol. I am recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high-resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe. You can see new videos like this every day.